My name is Christian. If you are new here, welcome. Got a great surprise this afternoon. I figured we'd just have leftovers for dinner or something like that. And then hubby pops in with groceries. I said, "What have you got?" He said, "I saw a recipe on Facebook today. I'm gonna try it for dinner tonight." I said, "I am great with that. Works for me." Everything that he cooks is fantastic, so anytime that he wants to cook, I am all for it. We're gonna film as we go through the recipe, and we'll let you know at the end what we thought about it. Also, stay tuned to the very end, and I will have the recipe for you so that you can make this at home yourself. What are you chopping up?
Ground sausage.
And what are you making tonight?
Egg roll in a bowl.
Egg roll in a bowl.
Less the bowl, we're gonna use wraps.
Okay.
Those wraps.
Let's see what we got here. Gluten-free wraps. Okay. And then we've got some sesame oil. Some less sodium soy sauce. The sausage, and then you put this coleslaw in it. The cabbage. That's like cabbage,
yeah,
carrots.
Cabbage, yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, a little soy sauce going in. Got our helpers in the kitchen.
Now I need the minced garlic.
Minced garlic, okay? A little minced garlic.
We like garlic. Lots of minced garlic.
Okay. We will be vampire proof
That ain't that.
for the rest of the night.
That really wasn't that much.
Okay. Little green onions. Add the cabbage. Almost a whole bag. I don't think you want cabbage, bud.
And I may have put too much cabbage.
No, it'll cook down. Once we mix it up, it looks like it needs a little more.
Just use the whole bag.
Just use the whole bag.
16-ounce bag.
Okay. Hunter's so excited to try these. I don't think you want an egg roll bowl. No. Hey, do you want an egg roll bowl?
It would probably be good over rice too. Put sesame oil. I have no clue what sesame oil is, but the recipe said use it.
Alright, we don't know how much to use. Just gonna eyeball it.
That's all we're using.
Alright.
Stir it up.
So you can see we didn't use a whole lot. I keep saying we like I'm actually doing something.
Less than a tablespoon.
Less than a tablespoon. The boys are having their supper. The boys are having supper. Cover it, and we cook for how long? Covered?
Till it looks like it's done. The recipe didn't say.
Okay, when it looks done, then we're gonna put it in these wrappers. Do we heat these wrappers up?
I guess you can.
Final thoughts on our egg roll bowl. Thumbs up. Thumbs up for the egg roll bowl. Thumbs up for this video.
Needed more cabbage.
Yeah, we did need a little more cabbage. We used about, this was our leftovers here, so we got enough for easily another meal. We used about, I keep saying we like I did something. He used about 1.5 pounds of ground sausage.
No, I used 2 pounds.
Excuse me. You used 2 pounds of ground sausage and 1 bag of the cabbage. So if we're going to use that amount of cabbage,
We need,
use...
with the sausage, we need 2 bags of
Yeah,
cabbage.
that amount of sausage, use 2 bags of cabbage. If you're only going to use 1 bag of cabbage, then cut your sausage back
1 pound.
to about 1 pound. So in my opinion, the egg roll in a bowl, it's a mouthful, was a hit. Hubby said probably next time he would like to try it maybe on some rice. He wasn't crazy necessarily about putting it in the wrap. I thought it was great. I would definitely eat that again. It was a great meal, quick and easy. This kitchen smelled delicious. I look forward to eating the leftovers, which doesn't always happen when we have leftovers. If you liked seeing a quick, simple dinner recipe, then give this video a thumbs up. Let us know you liked it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. You never know when you may see Hubby guest starring again. Y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Rude, say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I didn't get to eat any, but they said it was good. Good night.